Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications, I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see one very important notice released by the University Grants Commission regarding the scholarship. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science and the Paper 1 JRF 2021, it is going to start from Jan 19, 2021. And here the educators are myself, Ashwani Kumar Gadige, which is dealing with the Electronic Science, and Ashima Negi dealing with the Paper 1. And regarding these details, you can see at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here you can check down the notice released on the 18th Jan 2021 regarding the scholarship schemes. So after watching this video until the end, please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are waiting for these scholarship schemes and waiting to apply for this one. Okay. So coming to the subject and the body of this notice, the scholarship schemes of the UGC. So dear Madam or Sir, UGC has invited applications from students for scholarship under the following schemes. That is the first one, Indira Gandhi PG scholarship for single girl child, and PG scholarship for university rank holder candidate, and the Ishan Uday special scheme for northeastern region, and the PG scholarship for professional courses for SC/ST candidates. So the National Scholarship Portal was opened for receiving the applications on 1st 9 2020 with closing date for filling online applications till 30th 10 2020. The last date was extended to 30th November 2020, but now again the online application for this scholarship is extended further up to 20th Jan 2021. That means tomorrow is the last date based upon this extension. So please share this information to all of your group or the circle, so who are till not yet applied for these scholarships. Okay, and the guidelines of each scheme are also uploaded in the portal. That means in the scholarship portal you will get the guidelines regarding these scholarships, and it is requested to kindly encourage students of your institution to apply for the above said scholarships as per their eligibility for the scheme. So the candidates or the persons who belongs to the institutions who are watching this video, so please encourage your students based upon their eligibility conditions to apply for these scholarships without delay, because tomorrow is the last day. And as you are aware, equity is an integral and important component of the UGC's policy and planning framework. In order to ensure the access of all sections of the society and more particularly marginalized sections, the Commission has framed exclusively regulations and guidelines and has been implementing special schemes for students belonging to SC and ST categories. Hence, you are requested to give special attention to SC and ST students by encouraging them to apply for the scholarships. And the student may be advised to submit their online applications well in time, so that your institution is able to verify applications within the prescribed timelines. So whoever the students are there, okay, so please fill up your application form within the time, such that the institutions can able to take the necessary time for the validate your online application form. And the last date for institution level verification and resubmission of defective applications is 5th Feb 2021. Okay, so it is a notice released by the University Grants Commissions, guys, on 18th Jan 2021. Not the 2020, it is 2021. So to get the regular notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys.
Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.